In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share reports in Salesforce. Sharing reports effectively within your team or organization is a crucial skill to ensure everyone has access to the insights they need. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide. To begin, let's open Salesforce Lightning and make our way to the tabs at the top, where we're going to locate the Reports tab. This is your gateway to the reporting section where all your analytics and data management take place. It's essentially the central hub for all things related to your reports. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of report folders. These folders are really helpful because they allow you to organize and manage your reports efficiently, keeping everything neat and easy to find. If you've already created a folder, you'll want to locate it in this list. However, if you haven't and you need to set up a new one, you can easily do that. Just click on All Folders, and you'll see an option to create a new folder. Go ahead and click on it, then set up your organizational structure just the way you like it, ensuring it fits the needs of your team or organization. Once you've found or created the right folder, hover over the folder name until a drop-down arrow appears. Clicking this arrow will reveal more options. One of these options will be to select Share, which is a crucial step in making your reports accessible to others within your Salesforce environment. Next, you'll come across a section labeled Share With. Here, you can determine exactly who you want to share your reports with. You have a variety of options, such as public groups, individual users, or specific roles, depending on what's available within your organization. This decision is important because it affects how information is distributed within your workspace. So take a moment to consider who really needs access to your reports. Now, it's time to specify the users or groups you'd like to share your reports with. Start typing the names of the desired users or groups and select them as they appear. This step is all about ensuring that your data reaches the right people. It's equally important to choose the correct permission level for each person or group with whom you're sharing the report. You've got a few different choices here. Assign the viewer level if you just want them to view the reports. Opt for editor if they need to make modifications. Or, if you want to give them full control, including the ability to share further, choose manager. After setting your sharing configurations to your satisfaction, confirm by clicking Share. This step finalizes the permissions and makes the reports accessible as you've specified. Finally, after confirming all your selections, finish by clicking Done on the Share Folder dialog. And there you have it. Your reports are now shared efficiently within Salesforce Lightning. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly manage report sharing in your organization, ensuring everyone has the tools they need to make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.